Okay, I have this Kenmore Connect dryer. This dryer is about 5 years old and it's damaging clothes, and I'm going to show you where it damages the clothes. Okay, so here's the filter, and the clothes get stuck on this edge here and it tears clothes, and you can see that it got all bent and stuff. And this is the new one I bought. It's a different color. And you just put it back in. But it still sticks out. Like it's not flush here. So this is still going to grab clothes.
Okay, here's part of the filter that looks like it melted and deformed, and that's why it's not really going flat or staying in the hole properly. Here's the side of the filter that was not deformed, and this is what it should look like. Here's another view of the deformed section. You can see the little piece sticking out. So I used an iron and the cardboard, and I put the iron on the cardboard and not directly on the plastic, and I was able to melt or reform that plastic so that it was flatter than before. It's not perfect, but I'll show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like in the slot now. It's flatter and it seems like it's better, but it's not quite good enough. I'll show you what else I had to do. So in the end, I did flatten the plastic properly and it fit much better, but I still put duct tape on the two edges on the corner, and I suggest you do this if you have a Kenmore washer with this type of filter system, because the clothes will get caught on the right side at least and twist and turn and make holes in your clothes and ruin your clothes. So this video was about the Kenmore dryer, problem with clothes getting torn and getting stuck on the filter.